Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for In the News, DuckDuckGo, the search engine that keeps your privacy, reached a significant milestone last week, racking up more than 100 million searches in a single day. While still less than the more than 5 billion daily searches performed by market leader Google, the milestone is a major one for the search engine that doesn't store any of its users' personal information, doesn't archive the search histories, and doesn't track their searcher activity. A number of factors are driving DuckDuckGo's growth, not the least of which is the emphasis on privacy. Consumers and businesses are becoming increasingly aware and tired of how their personal search data is being used and targeted for online advertising. At the same time, DuckDuckGo has crafted a solid solution that makes private searching simple and effective. DuckDuckGo has been growing steadily over time, said Greg Sterling, a vice president of market insights at Uberall. It's increasing adoption by people concerned about privacy. It's the most well-known privacy-friendly search engines and browsers. Way to go, DuckDuckGo. What a great milestone to have accomplished.